Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to tell you 10 reasons why you should consider the Mahindra XUV700, the latest SUV from Mahindra that has taken the India market by storm. The XUV700 is a premium SUV that offers a lots of features, performance and safety at an attractive price range. So without further ado, let's get started. The first reason is the engine options. The XUV700 comes with the two engine options, a 2.0 liter turbo petrol engine that produces 200 horsepower and 380 Nm of torque, and a 2.2 liter diesel engine that is available in two states of tune, 156 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque, and 185 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. Both engines are mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, and the top end diesel variant also gets an all-wheel drive option. The engines are refined, powerful and fuel efficient, making that XUV700 a great choice for both city and highway driving. The second reason is the design. The XUV700 is a stunning SUV that has bold and futuristic look. It has especially black grille with the new Mahindra logo, large headlamps with canny-shaped LED DILs, arrow-like LED tail lamps, power adjustable ORMs with turn indicators, and sleek door handles depending on the variant. It also gets 17-inch or 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, a panoramic sunroof, roof rails and slight cladding. The XUV700 has a muscular and aerodynamic stance that makes it stand out from the crowd. The third reason is the interior and features. The XUV700 has a spacious and luxurious cabin that can seat up to 7 passengers comfortably. It has leatherette or leather seats, leather steering wheel and gear lever, dual zone climate control, ambient lighting and plenty of storage spaces. The XUV700 also boasts of some technology features such as dual HD Super Screen that combines a 10.25 inches touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Alexa integration, and a 10.25 inches digital instrument cluster that display various information and alerts. The XUV700 also has an immersive 3D sound system with 12 speakers, wireless charging, smart door handles, keyless entry and push button start, cruise control, electric parking brake and more. The fourth reason is the safety. The XUV700 is one of the safest SUVs in India as it has received 5-star rating from Global NCAP for adult occupant protection and a 4-star rating for child occupant protection. It has 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, hill hold control, hill descent control, traction control, rollover mitigation, coining brakes control, tire pressure monitoring system, rear parking sensor with camera, blind spot detection, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control and more. It also has some advanced features such as driver distance detection, smart pilot assist that combines adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist to provide semi-autonomous driving capability, emergency braking assist that warns the driver of an impending collision and applies brakes automatically if needed. The fifth reason is the performance. The XUV700 is a fun to drive SUV that offers a spirited performance on any terrain. It has 3 drive modes, Zip for sporty driving, Zip for balanced driving and Zoom for eco-friendly driving. It also has 4 off-road modes, snow, sand, mud, rock for tackling different surfaces. The XUV700 can accelerate from 0 to 100 km in just 9 seconds for the petrol variant and 11 seconds for the diesel variant. It also has a top speed of 200 km per hour for both variants. The sixth reason is the comfort. The XUV700 offers smooth and comfortable ride quality thanks to its independent suspension system with MacPherson starts at the front and multi-link at the rear. It also has a disc brakes on all 4 wheels for effective braking performance. The XUV700 has a high ground clearance of 200 mm and a large wheelbase of 2760 mm that provide ample space for legroom and headroom for all passengers. It also has adjustable headrest for all seats, reclining second row seats with armrest and cup holders, sliding third row seats with USB port and AC vents. The seventh reason is the practicality. The XUV700 is a versatile SUV that can cater to different needs and preferences of the customers. It has a large boot space of 405 liters that can be expanded to 920 liters by folding the third row seats and 1800 liters by folding both the second and third row seats. It also has a smart tailgate that opens automatically when you approach it with the key in your pocket. The XUV700 also has a towing capacity of 1800 kg for the petrol variant and 2100 kg for the diesel variant. The eighth reason is the connectivity. The XUV700 is a smart SUV that offers seamless connectivity with your smartphone and other devices. It has an Adreno X Connect app that that lets you control various functions of the car such as remote lock, unlock, engine start and stop, climate control, sunroof, windows, lights and more. You can also locate your car, check its health status, get service reminders and book service appointments through the app. The XUV700 also supports over-the-air updates for its software and maps. The ninth reason is the value for money. The XUV700 is a value for money SUV that offers a lot of features and performance at an attractive price range. It starts from 13.45 lakh for the base MX petrol manual variant and goes up to 25.47 lakh for the top and AX7 diesel automatic AWD variant X showroom. Compared to its rivals such as Tata Safari, MG Hector Plus and Hyundai Alcazar, it's offer more powerful, more features and more safety at a lower price. The 10th reason is the brand image. Mahindra is one of the most trusted and respected brand in India that has a strong legacy of making gadget and reliable SUVs for over 7 decades. Mahindra has also been at the forefront of innovation and technology in the automotive industry with its electric vehicle, farm equipment and mobility solution. Mahindra has also been involved in various social initiatives such as education, healthcare and environment through NCRS Mahindra Rise. So these were my 10 reasons why you should consider buying the Mahindra XUV700. If you are looking for a premium SUV in India, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos on cars.